Hi guys, we're back for another episode for Slither.io. And in the last episode, well, in between episodes, I've made my own snake. And I also got 1,413. And yeah, LOLGHF. And we're playing. And I like the snake because it's good luck. Give me some big bad servers and I'm good. Ooh, no. No. Oh, I didn't even last a minute. Why? You gotta let me last a minute. Seriously? Why'd you have to do that? You're so mean. Whoa! Thanks. Is there a dead person over here? It might have been, but yeah. 87. There's a big person. Let's see if I can get his name. Oh! Oh, the big dude. No! 468. That was good. That was pretty good. 20, 27, 28, 30. Whoa. No! Why? Why? We're only 2 minutes in. And I can't even get to 500 in 2 minutes. Because I keep on No! I had to take what I was gonna take. I didn't even make it to 40. That's not the right life. Not how you live a life. Living. Oh, I thought he died. Oh, darn it. He's hosting a battle royale. Oh, it's LOLGHF versus 5602. Wait, did I make it? Nope. Couldn't do it. I'm getting rigged inside this big circle. He's just waiting for us to die. Oh, someone else is entered the battle royale. 5602 is still in. Fellow LGF and GHF. The battle royale is still going on. Oh no! Oh no, I should say that. Oh no. Ooh. No! No, and they're free! No, I just want one person to die. die. And it was me. Why couldn't I just have a game with no lag? It would be great. It happens to me all the time. Yes, kill someone that died on purpose. On accident. For purpose. Me. To grow. I want to grow. Grow. Yes. Can't believe it. Yep. Done it. No. I'll take that. Have anyone that's watching this video ever gotten first place? I once got third when I was 1,413 blank, which was horrible. I think I got second for a little while. Oh, I thought I killed him. The lag saved him, but it didn't save me. No! 705. Oh no, please don't die to this. Yes. I'll see you guys. Fuck! Oh, I forgot to mention this at the very end of the video. At the very beginning of the video, please like our video and subscribe if you haven't already. Tap the notification button after you subscribe, and we are halfway through the video. Load. See you guys when it loads. Hi guys, I'm back. Yeah. This is a hard area to just spawn in. No, I died. No! Darn it. Duh! How did this happen? No. Have a sip of water. Why? Yes, I'm back in here. I'm back in the game. Yes! He died. My savior. I am your savior. I am Loki. Your savior has arrived. Back from Lore, Bedrock. Yeah. Your savior has arrived. The big ship. Everyone knows that. I can do this. Gotta find some people that are walking around. This. Give me that. Yes, 403, yes! Yes! Oh, yes. Eat it all. We are not APD, but who cares? Doing well. Oh! 30,000 out. Yeah! Yeah. When I was on, it was only 20,000, I think. Maybe 7,000, I don't know. Oh. And who is this? What's his name? Let me find his name. I need to know his name. What's your name, bro? What is it? Tell me your name. Now. He's about to. Oh, it's a jolly holiday. Harry. No wonder that it's merry. Then we have to wait 10 minutes. Oh, it's gonna make it. Yes! Great. It lagged. Oh, there's a big dude in there. Sorry. No, not this again. Yeah. It's finally loaded. Someone go get lunch. Eat your lunch while you're watching this video. Oh, it's 108. No, it's the no. Computer. You stupid computer. You shouldn't be saying. Ooh. Oh, no. It's a big dude. Well, it's big compared to me, but not for a lot of people. Ooh. Thank you. Very good dinner. Yes! Now, Bird? Yes. I'm following someone. I am following the footsteps that Yes. Look at this gorgeous meat. Yeah, I think that's what we're collecting. Yeah, that is what we're collecting. Oh man, I saw a dead body. I wanna find a dead body. I wanna find a dead body. Da 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 da. Da Donna Donna da 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 da. Da 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 da.